Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. In this video, I am going to make a pichwai cow painting on a fabric. It is an easy step-by-step video, so anyone can try it. Firstly, I have made the sketch of the cow on the paper. I always recommend to use a embroidery frame to hold on to your fabric when you work on. Then I have drawn a circle using a compass. You can use any circular object to draw the round. Now I am making a base layer with white acrylic paint. This acts as a primer. Without the white base layer, when we apply color, the color becomes lighter as the fabric absorbs the color. Now for the background of the cow, I am using a sky blue color as my saree color is sky blue. By using a flat brush, you can minimally see the brush strokes on the fabric. To add on depth, I am using cellurian blue on the outer region of the circle and I am blending both the colors. Allow the paint to dry and use a white carbon to trace your image onto the painted area. As it is a white pichwai cow, I am using white acrylic color to paint my cow. Make sure to leave a minute gap to define your outline areas. Make 2 layers of white paint for the cow so that it gives a smooth base to work on. I am using brown color as the outline and I am blending it with water to show the shadow areas of the cow. For the cloth on the cow, I am using crimson red. With brown, I am blending it with crimson red to show the shadows on the cloth. Now I paint brown for the horn, foot and tail hair of the cow as a base layer. Now with black color, I am adding the shadows and depth to the horn, foot and tail hair of the cow. Now by using brown color, I have made the outline of the cow. Now by using a pearl metallic golden color 3D liner, I am making the jewelries of the cow. Now with 3D liner, I am marking the outline of the circle. I have used stones to match my saree. These stones can be bought from shops where tailoring and embroidery materials are available. Make a dot using the 3D liner. Now with the help of a toothpick, pick the stone and place it in the center of the dot so that the liner spills around the stone and make it look like its outline. If you are new, kindly subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell button to get notified on new videos. Thank you for watching the complete video.